Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start a new chapter, that is fractions. What is fraction? We have done this in class 4th also. Fraction is when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. Okay, when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. Now what is whole? All the fractions taken together make the whole. What is whole? When all the fractions are taken together, they make a whole. See, in this figure, the circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, so this complete circle is whole part, and this whole is divided into 3 equal parts. And if I shade 2 out of these 3 parts, then the fraction of shaded portion, what will be the fraction of shaded portion? It will be 2 upon 3. How we will write the fraction? How we write the fraction? See, the shaded portion are 2 here. 2 parts are shaded. So this, and we have to write the fraction of shaded portion. So in the numerator, the total number of shaded portion will come, and in the denominator, the total parts will come. Here the total parts are 3 because this whole is divided into 3 equal parts. So the total parts are 3. So 3 will be our denominator and numerator will be the number of shaded parts. And here the shaded parts are 2. So the fraction of shaded portion will be 2 upon 3. And if we have to find the fraction of unshaded portion, the fraction of unshaded portion, see how many unshaded portion are here? Only one portion is unshaded. So the numerator will be 1 and denominator will be the total number of parts. Here the total number of parts are 3. So the fraction will be 1 upon 3. Next topic is like and unlike fractions. Firstly, we will do what are like fractions. First is like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. Okay, see, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, all these fractions have same denominator. All these fractions have same denominator, so these fractions are like fractions. Okay, so the fractions with the same denominator are like fractions, and next is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fractions with different denominators. Okay, the fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. See, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 11 and 12 by 19. All these are unlike fractions because all these fractions have different denominator. Okay, so these are unlike fractions. In this, the denominators were same. All these fractions were having same denominator, so these fractions are called like fractions, and in this all these fractions have different denominators, so these fractions are unlike fractions. Next is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. Okay, the fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. See, in this example, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Here also the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is proper fraction. So all these are proper fractions because in all fractions, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Next comes improper fractions. Fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Okay, the fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. See, 5 by 2. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 by 3. In this also the numerator is greater than the denominator. 8 by 5. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So the fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions, and the fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fractions. Next is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole part and a proper fraction. Okay, See, this 7 2 upon 5, this is a mixed fraction because this is a combination of whole number part, this is our whole number, and this is proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction, the combination of whole number part and a proper fraction. Take one more example. See, 3 1 by 2. This is also a mixed fraction. This 3 is our whole number part and 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. So the mixed fraction is the combination of whole part and proper fraction. Next is how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Improper fraction को mixed fraction में कैसे convert करते हैं? Suppose we have to convert this 23 upon 6, this improper fraction, into mixed fraction. So what we'll do, we'll divide 23 by 6. Okay, 6 3 is 18. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now we have to write this improper fraction as mixed fraction. How we will write? This quotient is our whole number part. Okay, so this will come in the left. This remainder is our numerator and this divisor is our denominator. Okay, so how we write? Like this. This 3 5 upon 6 is mixed fraction of 23 upon 6. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to convert 46 upon 5 as mixed fraction. So we will divide 46 by 5. 5 9s are 45 and remainder is 1. So this quotient is our whole number part. So this will come in the left. Remainder will be our numerator and divisor will be our denominator. So your answer will be 9 1 upon 5. Next is how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. अगर हमारे पास mixed fraction है और हमें इसे improper fraction में convert करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? See, suppose I have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what I'll do, this is a denominator and this is a numerator. This is whole number part. So we will multiply this whole number part by the denominator and add the numerator to this and denominator will remain same. This 5 will remain same. So 8 5s are 40 plus 4 upon 5. This is 44 upon 5. Okay. So this way we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction.